Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Xfinity account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar, type xfinity.com and press enter. On the Xfinity homepage, find the sign in option at the top of the page. Click or tap sign in to open the login page. Make sure you are on the official Xfinity site before entering any information. In the username field, type your Xfinity ID, email, or mobile number linked to your account. In the password field, type your Xfinity password carefully. Double-check for typos, especially if your password uses capital letters or symbols. If you are on a personal device, you can check the box to stay signed in for convenience. If you are on a shared or public device, leave the Stay Signed In box unchecked for safety. Click or tap the Sign In button to continue. If you see a security check, follow the on-screen instructions to verify you are not a robot. If you are asked for two-step verification, choose how you want to receive the code. Enter the verification code exactly as you receive it. Click Continue to complete the verification step. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password before trying again. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your email, phone, or security questions. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere secure. Return to the sign-in page after resetting your password. If you forgot your username, choose the option to find your Xfinity ID. Enter the requested details to retrieve your username. Try signing in again using the correct username and your updated password. After you log in, you should see your account dashboard. From the dashboard, you can manage billing, internet, TV, and mobile services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try a different browser. If sign-in keeps failing, clear your browser cache and cookies and try again. You can also try signing in using the Xfinity app for a simpler experience. In the app, tap Sign In and enter the same username and password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.